2nd of October, and it's 10:50 a.m. in the morning, and we are starting from Chikmagalur towards Hampi,
which is the next phase of our stay after Chikmagalur. Chikmagalur to Hampi is around 300 or so kilometers. We are booked at a homestay there. We started a little late. We wanted to start early, but then finished our breakfast, checked out, put the luggage back in the car, and then we started. And inside Chikmagalur town, the roads were a little crowded because today is Dashami of Durga Puja. So we are now on the road. We are on NH 173, and you can see the Western Ghats on both sides. So now we are going a little from the Ghats slightly towards the plains, which is Hampi. And let's see, I hope to reach there before 5 or 6 o'clock, before sunset effectively, because Google Maps always waylays you at the last moment when it comes to lanes and by lanes. Google Map has very bad reputation, and we have suffered a lot because of it. Majorly it works really well. 99% of your journey, Google Maps is your best friend, but that last 1%, it behaves like that mother-in-law who did not get dowry. Always misleads you to different places. So I hope things go better today. Let's find out. We will do at least 50 to 60% of our travel today on NH 173. And I think from Hosadurga or somewhere we'll have to take a slight diversion. But we'll see. We'll stay on NH 173 as long as possible. Then from Hosadurga we'll check the map again. So it has started to drizzle a little bit, and yeah, the roads are absolutely beautiful, as you can see. Well maintained, flawless. And this kind of road, this kind of weather, this kind of vehicle, and this kind of travel partner, what more would you need, right? Just hit the road, Jack. Hey guys, so we are just outside Chikmagalur town. तो सोचा हम्पी जाने से पहले टैंक हाफ हो गया था, तो हमने सोचा टॉप अप कर लेते हैं, एयर पेट्रोल दोनों. और बिफोर वी आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन एनी अदर फ्यूल स्टेशन. अभी तक 857 ड्राइव हुआ है. हमने आने से पहले आई थिंक दो बार फिल किया था.
एक बार हैदराबाद में
फिल किया था, एक बार
कर्नाटका में,
हाँ, अलमपुर के पास, अलमपुर ऐसा कुछ नाम है, वहाँ पे किया था. सो स्टार्ट नाउ. और बजरंग बली का नाम लेते हुए, माँ दुर्गा का नाम लेते हुए, जिसका नाम आप ले सकते हो, लेते हुए हम निकल रहे हैं अभी. हाँ भाई, बड़ी गाड़ियों को बहुत तकलीफ होती है. वी आर ड्राइविंग विद द विंडो डाउन, क्योंकि हवा अच्छा है, क्यों बेकार में एसी चलाएं फिलहाल. इट ड्रिजल्ड अ लिटिल, आप देख सकते हो. नहीं, शायद नहीं देख सकते हो. द ड्रॉप्स आर सो फाइन, एकदम मिस्ट जैसा ड्रॉप है. तो हमने सोचा यार थोड़ी देर नेचर का हवा एंजॉय कर लेते हैं, बाद में जब वो नहीं मिलेगा तब, या फिर गर्मी ज़्यादा बढ़ेगी. राइट नाउ यू कैन सी इट्स वेरी क्लाउडी हियर.
विंडी है बहुत,
काफ़ी विंडी है, हवा है, थोड़ी थोड़ी बारिश है. अब इस वेदर में अगर आप खुले में नहीं जाओगे तो फिर कैसे मजा आएगा. सो अर्ली मॉर्निंग द वेस्टर्न घाट्स फ्रॉम आवर होटल रूम वाज कंप्लीटली encased in fog and clouds. So it was a really beautiful view. तो अभी देखते हैं, we have hit the road again. अभी आगे जो है किस्मत में लिखा है वही होगा. So we'll keep putting on videos ऐसे ही, देखते हैं क्या होता है. चलो बाय बाय, सी यू गाइस.
crossing Hosadurga, and there is another 200 kilometers from here, Hampi. This is NH 173, and the road looks really good.
And this is a kind of road for which you wouldn't mind paying tolls for, right? If they have maintained it like this, I mean, obviously हमारे पैसे ही बना है, पैसे से बना है, but you wouldn't mind paying for it. Road condition इतना अच्छा है, it's the same smoothness and consistency like the expressways. So just that it's a semi-rural area, semi-urban area, if you want to call it that, as you wish. But yeah, but there's a lot of people and two-wheeler activity on this road, which is why you have to be a little careful. I know it's very tempting to speed up on this kind of road, but it's risky as well because lots of people around. So, yep.
Weather is good. अभी थोड़े देर पहले बारिश हुई है. Back before we reached Hosadurga, but अभी it's windy, it's sunny, तो skies are clear as you can see. And बीच में Google Maps ने हमें घुमा दिया था. We took a wrong turn and गांव के अंदर घुस गए थे. And फिर we made a detour and came back on our road. So ये 173 NH 173 में चलेंगे अभी कुछ देर तक.
173 seems to be consistent, like Hiriyur, Chellakere, Chikmagalur, Hampi wala road. 173 seems to be the common connection between them. So yeah, we will continue on 173 for as long as Google Map tells us not to take any detours or change from there, which we will then decide. But फिलहाल तो अभी इस रोड पे जा रहे हैं और आप देख सकते हो कि रोड तो बहुत सही है. चलाने का मजा ऐसे रोड में है. I mean, if you want to have like peaceful drive जो normally हम सिटी में नहीं कर सकते हैं, या तो ORR पे चढ़ो या फिर ऐसे जगह पे आओ where you really have fun driving. And as you can see, clouds हैं थोड़े से, but cloudy नहीं है. Rains अभी थोड़ी देर पहले पीछे हुए थे around 30 kilometers behind us, but अभी तो धूप है थोड़ा थोड़ा. And वीडियो के लिए खिड़की ऊपर किया है, वरना we were driving with the windows down for quite a while. So yeah, अभी मतलब जितना प्योर ऑक्सीजन मिल रहा है ले लेते हैं. जब नहीं मिलेगा फिर देखेंगे. ट्रक वाले किसी को रोड जगह नहीं देंगे क्योंकि they are being themselves. देखते हैं यार. अभी तो we'll see. We will make videos again once there is something worth shooting.
We are in Chitradurga right now. Still continuing with the NH 173. Is it 173? Yeah.
369?
Yeah, NH 369, and within this we will be taking a left towards NH 50. So this is the Chitradurga town. It's quite crowded maybe because of the Dussehra time. Although on the way we found most of the shops closed on the highway. However, this place seems to be very crowded. Shops, some of them are closed.
It looks like the main market road.
Yes, looks like the main market road.
And people have no urgency at all, today being a holiday.
Roads are quite
which is why
wide.
from here we take left or right?
No, straight. Right.
So that goes inside town, okay?
Yes. Roads are quite wide and quality of road is good inside the city.
Probably because it's maintained by NHAI and the city administration. Not just, I mean, Straight
We
and
had to take a
NH.
left here.
We had to take a left here.
Yep.
Okay, guess I missed it. So we'll take a U-turn from the next signal.
It's
If uncle would let me. We take a U-turn and go back?
yep.
Okay. Alright. Needs to be done, needs to be done. Okay. Are we in?
यहाँ साइड में रोड साइड मार्केट लगा हुआ है, which is usual in any of the cities. You can see.
From there?
Yeah.
Okay, we missed a turn to change to NH50. Is it NH or AH? SH.
हाँ NH.
NH. Okay. So,
यहाँ से राइट लेंगे.
okay, now we are NH50 and we go straight.
Yeah. We go straight. Yes. वहाँ पे.
कोलकाता फेमस काठी रोल. कोलकाता का पता नहीं, यहाँ तो बंद है.
We are on the Hampi Expressway, which is NH50, and we crossed Chitradurga. There seems to be some. Check it. No.
Just random obstruction of the road, so that they want vehicles to slow down, which actually has the opposite effect.
Although they have some speed breakers, they did
Yeah.
not believe in them that they can break the speed.
And they think the partitions are enough to slow people down. Although I don't see why, because it's an upward slope. You want people to speed up slightly to cross it. And yeah,
We are on the expressway towards Hampi. This is Service Road on the left, and towards right.
you can see some educated people overtaking each other.
And there are windmills on the top of the mountains over there. There is a lake on the left. दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है because there is
We are not high enough, like
Yes.
height wise, not.
रोड थोड़ा
chemical
नीचे
wise.
है. We'll be going on the expressway. Expressway looks good.
It's what, another 140 from here?
Yeah.
Close to 140.
Yes, 140, around 140 kilometers towards Hampi.
And we are back to the mountain roads.
Yeah. This area is known as Mallapura, small town. And this expressway looks nice because of the yellow colored flowers on the right, which also helps with obstructing the light from the other side, which is really necessary when you are driving at night.
These are 3-lane.
These are 3-lane roads, almost like the Bangalore-Mysore expressway. काफी अच्छा रास्ता है, and you can see the view is good.
उसमें कुछ लोग धूम मचाले करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
And there is a bypass road over there.
Which highway is it?
That is Highway 45.
That's 45 is what it goes to Mumbai.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. But from Chikmagalur till here, we haven't faced a single toll gate, have we?
Yeah, not yet.
Not a single toll gate till now. But the road conditions are really like toll worthy.
Yes.
So yeah, thank
We
God.
were
for-
expecting a toll gate, but we didn't get any. NH50. Sorry, that was NH48 that we crossed.
Wow, you can see huge flats. I don't know,
Yes.
some kind of chemical or
Okay. Looks something like a CNG station.
oh, okay.
No, that's the CNG station is there, but I don't know what factory that is.
What is it? If you zoom into the map, what does it say?
Says something, some petroleum pump or KSR agency. It says.
Okay, so there might be a signboard here. No, it's half faded and half written in Kannada. So,
Okay, it's a rice mill.
okay, that's a lot of rice.
Yeah. It's a rice mill over there.
गाड़ी का एवरेज अभी 22.2 आ रहा है. Also partially because we had to drive through the city. But हाईवे पे 20 क्यों AC भी चल रहा है और गाड़ी 80 पे है. I'm not going more than that because lots of turns on this road.
Although windy है, but गर्मी भी है.
हमने
काफी तेज है.
चिकमंगलुर के बाद टैंक फुल किया था. जस्ट चिकमंगलुर के बाहर ही एक नयारा का आउटलेट था. फिल्ड द टैंक, फिल्ड द टायर्स, चेक्ड एवरीथिंग, फिर निकले वहाँ से. तब बारिश वारिश हो रही थी मस्त. अभी यहाँ पर मस्त धूप है एंड इट्स 529 डिस्टेंस टू एम्प्टी दिखा रहा है. तो देखते हैं बहुत जल्दी. Our car will complete 30,000 kilometers. It's 29,849 at this time. थोड़ा लेन चेंज करके राइट वाले में रहते हैं. But you can see heavy vehicles who should not use the right most वो भी यूज कर रहे हैं. So कुछ बोल नहीं सकते. Actually on this road it doesn't show that many villages or towns on either side for a while. तो पता नहीं है. I think he's just playing it safe and staying on the overtaking lane basically. In 2-lane highway system बोलता है कि left lane is to drive and right lane is for overtaking. But हमें नहीं लगता हम इसको overtake कर पाएंगे फिलहाल because of एकदम सिंक में चल रहे हैं दोनों गाड़ियाँ. Unless that पंच और नेक्सॉन ऐसा कुछ है, अगर वो राइट साइड को नहीं घूमता है. saying goes, हाँ हो गया अभी राइट साइड में विंड मिल वाला एरिया भी क्लियर हो गया है मोर और लेस. तो ही है बस. आगे भी है.
हाँ, यहाँ माउंटेन्स के ऊपर सब विंड मिल लगा हुआ है. They're utilizing the area.
राक्षसों का फैन. एनीवे देखते हैं यार. 80-100 में अगर भगा सकते हैं तो भगाएंगे क्योंकि शाम होने से पहले आई डोंट वांट द रिपीट ऑफ रीचिंग हिरियूर टुडे. क्योंकि उस दिन बहुत दिक्कत हुई थी. एट नाइट ड्राइविंग ऑन दोज रोड्स वाज माय ओन वर्जन ऑफ हेल. आई जस्ट होप आज शाम ढलने से पहले हम लोग हमारे होम स्टे पहुंच जाएं.
तो डे टाइम में डिटोर लेना या फिर किसी को पूछना और चेकिंग ऑन द बोर्ड्स इज मच इजियर देन डूइंग इट इन द इवनिंग आफ्टर द सन हैज सेट. तो इसीलिए हम लोग रात का ड्राइविंग ज़्यादा नहीं करते हैं. वी ट्राई रीचिंग एवरीवेयर बिफोर सनसेट.
क्योंकि एक तो गूगल मैप आपको कभी कभी ना इतना घटिया किस्म का मिसलीड करता है. लाइक व्हेन गूगल मैप्स वर्क्स इट वर्क्स, व्हेन इट डजंट इट डज एपिक फेल्स. लाइक आपको ऐसे ऐसे रोड पे घुसा देगा. उसका अपना दिमाग है कि मुझे ये रोड सही लगता है, इधर से जाओ. अरे भाई तुम्हें क्यों चाहिए कि मैं किसी सिटी के अंदर से जाऊं अगर बाईपास रोड अवेलेबल है? नहीं, गूगल मैप्स डज दैट. वही माँ बाप बनने की कोशिश करता है वो. वन ऑप्शन यू कैन हैव इज चूज योर रूट and download it as offline map, then switch off your phone's data, then you will get the pre-decided map on your Google Maps. It will work in offline mode. फिर आपको rerouting 50 नहीं करने पड़ेंगे. It will just use it from its memory. That's one thing that you can do. Yeah, I mean trying to bolt the door once the horse is gone, but अभी मुझे दिमाग में यार ऑफलाइन कर लेते तो शायद easy होता and not get confused, not cause confusion. So maybe next time that's what we will do. Decide a route, freeze it on Google Map, download it as offline, then switch off mobile data. एक तो फोन गर्म हो जाता क्योंकि इस एरिया में, घाट्स एरिया में सिग्नल आपको उतना अच्छा नहीं मिलेगा. वी हैव हैड मोस्टली 4G ना, मोस्टली 4G. 5G बहुत कम जगह पे मिला है हमको. ऑल्दो आवर फोन्स हैव 5G सिम एंड 5G enabled, but most of the places we got only 4G.
So here we are on Tungabhadra River. The bridge is over Tungabhadra River. There are some tourists trying to get wet in the Tungabhadra River, and we are 5 kilometers away from Hosapet, and I think we will be going towards the Chitradurga road.
Is it the Chitradurga road? I don't know which one it is. We are going to go to Chitradurga Hosapet Road. Yes, it's SH25.
So this is the bridge. We are going to go inside. Look at the mountains all around.
It's a tunnel.
Yeah, it's a tunnel.
We'll show the tunnel after this, but
Yeah, look at the river. It's, the view is awesome. Yes. See here, the sun looks amazing. The reflection of the sun. This is how it is. जहाँ तक आँख जा रही है वहाँ तक रिवर दिख रहा है. It's full.
Guys, we are going to enter a tunnel. We have never gone under a tunnel since we went to Mahabaleshwar, right?
Yes.
That's the only way. And okay, this is the entrance.
There is a light at the end of the tunnel, although tunnel में भी काफी light है.
अंदर भी है, ट्यूब लाइट है. But guys, if you are claustrophobic, then this can be an issue. So please take care. If you have issues with enclosed spaces, this tunnel may not be for you. But just either drive faster or close your eyes. Don't do both together. Yeah, we are out of the tunnel. I think we have to take a roundabout here somewhere.
Yes. Good morning, guys. It's 5:30 in the morning, and we started from Hampi. We wanted to start early to reach to Hyderabad. So you can see the sun over there in the background.
And it's pretty rare to see this kind of beautiful sunrise, especially when you're on the western side of the country. So we're just glad that we started early. Otherwise, we would have missed this, what you are seeing on the screen right now.
Yeah, and we are passing on a pond on the right side, which is, as per the map, is a fisheries pond. I guess they culture fish. You can see on the right side. The weather is nice, no traffic yet, and we are moving on the. We haven't crossed Hampi yet. Look at the view. It's so nice. The sun over the pond. So we stayed overnight in Hampi, and we went into some unfortunate situation, like the homestay that we booked. They cancelled on us and did not inform about it. And so we had to get a last minute booking, and because of the Dashera rush, we had to take a guest house which would have cost around 1,500 but cost us 5,000.
Yeah, they totally, tried to make some money out of our situation, but, marta kya na karta. So we had to give in and pay that amount. But what to do? Have to live somewhere for the night, right? And we have a history with Hampi, right? Not today. Like back in 2008, right? Was it 2008?
Yes.
Yeah, 17 years ago we came to Hampi. उस वक्त बाइक पे आए थे and something similar happened. It just didn't work out for us and we had to leave early the next day. So Hampi के साथ हमारा कुछ तो रिश्ता है कि रहते हैं, एक ही रात रह पाते हैं, फिर अगले दिन सुबह निकलना पड़ता है यहाँ से.
I feel like the ruins of Hampi do not want us to visit them.
Guys, as you can see, we are just trying to skirt around Bellary, but even then there is no reprieve from speed breakers. Like, ये तो फिर भी single है, right? We saw 3x3 speed breakers on highway NH67. And yeah, we came out of Hampi early in the morning, close to 5:45 or so, because that's a story for another day. Hampi doesn't seem to agree with us. So we came out of Hampi at 5:45. We thought we'll take the Bellary road to Guti or to Kurnool and then take... the idea was to reach NH44 as soon as we can instead of taking the Raichur-Sennur road, because I had heard that there were road issues. Even Google Maps was showing multiple road repair works on that way. It's not a national highway, and I wanted to avoid crossing through Mehboob Nagar to Jadcherla. So we thought, let's take whichever road easiest leads us to NH44, and from there we can go straight away get to Hyderabad. But so we thought, Bellary seems the most convenient option because it's connected to NH67. Hey guys, so we have stopped on the way to Guti. Guti is basically on NH44, those who know. हम लोग around 50-60 kilometers before Guti रुके हैं, right? Bellary क्रॉस हो गया और बहुत सारे डाइवर्शंस थे बिकॉज बहुत सारा रोड वर्क चल रहा है. और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, द रोड इज प्राइमरली, द हाईवे इज प्राइमरली सीमेंट, कंक्रीट बेसिकली, सीसी, नॉट टारमैक. तो हम लोग सुबह निकले थे, लाइक 5:45 से निकले थे हम्पी से, और तब से नॉन स्टॉप ड्राइविंग चल रहा है, डाइवर्शन मैप देख के. सो इसीलिए स्टॉप्ड हियर क्योंकि यहाँ पे थोड़ा खाली है और रास्ते में कोई भी ढाबा वगैरह ओपन नहीं है, जो नहीं है, अगर है तो खुला नहीं है अभी तक, प्रॉबेबली क्वाइट अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. सो हमने सोचा रुक के थोड़ा मुँह हाथ धो के थोड़ा बायो ब्रेक या फिर कॉफ़ी वॉफ़ी पी लेते हैं, क्योंकि अभी हैदराबाद तक ड्राइव करना है, एंड दैट्स क्लोज टू अनदर 400 और सो किलोमीटर्स. हम लोग कल जब निकले थे अपने होमकल स्टेज एट चिकमंगलूर, वहाँ से हम लोग गर्म पानी लेके आए थे, तो फ्लास्क केप्ट इट वार्म. सो हमने उसमें जो कॉफ़ी पाउडर, लेट मी शो यू, वी स्टिल हैव. So we mixed this pre-mixed coffee with a few more sachets of Nescafe. तो ये बन गया. इसमें दिस इज अ सेल्फ स्टीयरिंग मग, तो घोल नहीं, ये सब की झंझट नहीं है इसमें, बस जस्ट वॉश इट विथ वाटर एंड वी आर डन विद इट. इसी टाइम के लिए ये सब लेके रखा था, ऐसे ही घर पे पड़ा रहता है, बट अभी तो यूज़ हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. सो मेकिंग यूज़ ऑफ व्हाट वी हैव. थोड़ा पी लेते हैं कि चाय तो अभी कहीं मिलेगा नहीं, अगर मिलेगा भी गाड़ी रखना मुश्किल है बहुत जगह पे, बिकॉज रोड वर्क की वजह से कहीं कहीं हाईवे एकदम लाइक सिंगल लेन भी नहीं है, हाफ लेन है. सो या थोड़ा रिफ्रेशमेंट एंड देन ड्राइव अगेन, क्योंकि बहुत नींद आ रही थी. आई विल वॉश माई फेस, फिर देखते हैं चलाने लायक हूँ या नहीं.
So we are going on NH44. We crossed Guti through NH67. So NH44 puts us on track to reach Hyderabad without many diversions. I mean, there will be diversions because of the road works and all.
It's a single highway till Hyderabad.
So it's the time is 9:57, almost 10 o'clock. We got delayed a bit because of the road. The NH67 is, I mean,
partly complete. some places.
Partly complete in some places, and whichever goes through some rural areas, those roads are really bad, not in good condition. Too many potholes. The road vanished in between and all that. So once we reached NH 44, that's the smooth road, I hope.
44 is Bangalore highway, so it shouldn't be a problem. So basically, this is the last leg of our tour. We started from Hampi early in the morning. Then we thought we'll cross Bellary and reach Kurnool if possible from there. I mean, it is possible, but the problem is many highways, both national and state, as you see on the map, have either detours because of road work or they are in really bad condition. So if you want to get speed on a highway and you see they are in that condition, you can barely drive over 40. So all your plans, so that's the reason we have wanted to avoid the inner roads. So that took us to NH67, which is straight from Bellary Hosapet to Guti, and touches after Guti, it takes you on to NH44. 44 is the lifeline between Bangalore to highway. So that's straight up. It doesn't require any further navigation as such. So yeah, it took a lot of effort. It was really exhausting. And yeah, but now we are here. So yeah, the issues are 90% resolved. Now just have to keep driving. We'll see how much we can do that, because we will hit traffic snags at Kurnool and Jadcherla for sure. Let's see how that goes. Fingers crossed.
So even if we are too much dependent on the maps, the GPS system, the Google Maps navigation system, you still have to take a call when you are looking at the map and the Google Maps shows you directions to go inside a city. Although you can see that you can stick to the national highway and avoid the city area, and although the road may be a little bad, but you will still go through NH67. When we were hitting Bellary, Google Maps kept on telling us to go inside Bellary and take a detour from there to go towards Guti. However, we had to take our own call about it, and we took our directions, stuck to NH67, and we are on the way. We'll stop for a small break here. Let's see how it is. We'll continue later.
Hi everyone. So we stopped at this dhaba called Royal Dhaba just when we entered from Guti NH67 to NH44, around 1 kilometer after that on the highway. It's on the left. We stopped here. थोड़ा खाना वाना खा लेंगे. We haven't eaten anything since morning except जो प्रोटीन एनर्जी बार चिप्स वगैरह जो गाड़ी में थे. सो इसी के लिए रखे थे, इसी में यूज़ हो गए. अभी सोच रहे हैं थोड़ा खाना ना खा के अगर ज़रूरत पड़ी एक नैप लेके फिर निकलेंगे यहाँ से. एंड यू कैन सी ओपन स्पेस. लेट्स सी हाउ द फूड इज़. नॉट जजिंग. फिर देखते हैं कैसा जाता है. खाना वाना खाने के बाद फिर पता चलेगा क्या हालचाल शरीर का, दिमाग का. हे गाइस, हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट ब्रेक हो गया ख़त्म. वी हैड इडली, पूरी, डोसा, masala dosa and chai. Idli was soft and hot, like steaming. Ungli jal jaye itna hot, which is a good thing. And then dosa was good. हमने बोला था वो जो पोड़ी पाउडर डालता है ना रेड कलर का, told them not to do it and they didn't put it, so that was good. The puri was really good. Chutney थोड़ा तीखा था, but then this is Andhra. Cannot expect
Taste,
but the taste was really good. So overall burn to pocket was around 300, दो चाय मिला के, and chai was as usual like 15 ml वाला कप जो एक घूंट में खत्म हो जाए, if you can have it in one घूंट. तो सब मिला के हाँ हमने 2 पूरियां ली थी, 2 प्लेट पूरियां. So that came to around the 300 total, right? तो टोटल 300 है, तो इट वाज प्रीटी डिसेंट फॉर 2 पीपल। और हमने मतलब लोड करके खाया एकदम, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू स्टॉप नेक्स्ट। ऐसा कोई प्लान नहीं है कहीं पे स्पेसिफिकली लंच के लिए रुकने के लिए, और ऑलरेडी 10 बज चुके थे, 10 सवा 10 बज चुके थे। सो वी थॉट यहीं पे जितना हो सके पेट भर के खा के चले जाते हैं।
क्योंकि इससे पहले हमें कोई भी शॉप्स मिले नहीं रोड पे, मोस्ट ऑफ देम वेर क्लोज्ड। सो वी थॉट जो खुला है वहां पे खाना खा लेते हैं टिल वी गेट आवर नेक्स्ट फूड।
बस वही सोच के वी आर लोडेड अप। हमारी गाड़ी भी लोडेड अप है। गुटी नहीं
गुंटकल
गुंटकल भी नहीं सब। व्हाट वाज दैट?
जस्ट आफ्टर
Bellary. After Bellary, we filled up the tank of the car. और कल तो हवा भरा ही था. So what we did was we didn't wait for it to go below half a tank. तो हमने जैसे ही यहाँ पे हाफ टैंक दिखा रहा था मीटर पे, we would fill it. अभी देखते हैं एवरेज रेंज 562 दिखा रहा है, मतलब DT 562 दिखा रहा है, एंड एवरेज 22.9 आ रहा है इस पे हाईवे पे, विच इज प्रीटी डिसेंट फॉर 1200cc व्हीकल। क्योंकि हम लोग सुबह 1.5 घंटा तो हम लोग 2 घंटे ऐसे चला रहे थे विदाउट एसी, क्योंकि वेदर वाज गुड। बट बेल्लरी क्रॉस करने के बाद से काफी धूप हो रही है, और अगर एक जगह हवा भी बंद है, सो वी वर फोर्स्ड टू यूज द एसी, जिसके वजह से थोड़ा माइलेज पे फर्क तो पड़ेगा। मैं अभी बिकॉज NH44 पूरा ड्राई चल रहा है, तो इसलिए मैंने ग्लासेस भी वाइप नहीं किए हैं। कहीं अगर रुकना है फिर रुक के कपड़ा मार दूंगा कांच पे। अभी चलते हैं क्योंकि वैसे भी धूल होने वाला है। सो राइट, वी विल स्टार्ट ऑन द लास्ट लेग अगेन। अभी देखते हैं नेक्स्ट का ब्रेक लेने का मन करता है या फिर जरूरत होती है। ऑलराइट, टिल देन।
We could not take any more videos after this. Please like and subscribe our channel and comment on what we can do to improve our vlogs. Thank you.